Hello guys, this is Dan from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 16 Pro with a cracked display. Still works, but it needs to be replaced. So let's get right into it. So right here we can still access the phone's content through the touchscreen. There's a crack on the top right portion of the display. You can still use this, but the client wants us to replace the display because it's quite unsightly. And this being an iPhone 16 Pro, it's quite expensive to have Apple deal with this problem. If you're not under Apple Care, you'll have to pay a very large sum of money. But here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we have special offers for high-end smartphones, and you will not spend a lot, to be honest. And you can see here professional repair servicing for all screen replacement from our in-house tech expert David. We'll start removing the front display because that's how iPhones tend to get disassembled. You remove the front glass first, and this being pretty much stock, untouched, the adhesive underneath the display is quite strong, so are making gaps slowly. You can see there we're using two pry tools. They're very thin, and we're slowly agitating, softening up the adhesive by using IPA. It doesn't damage the device because it evaporates instantly. You see there, and then we lift it up from the right side because the left side contains all the cables. Although we will replace the display, we still need to take care of those connectors, not to damage them. We'll lift it up 90 degree and remove the cover brackets, these metal brackets for the display connectors. You have two of them, and now you can detach these connectors. There you go. So with the iPhone 16 Pro, it's pretty much the same with the iPhone 12, the iPhone 15 in terms of the disassembly process. Like what I've said, you have to remove the front display first, and this is a replacement display. The replacement display has everything. You have the clips on the side, and for now we'll test it as is. It's brand new, and you can see there it's showing us the Apple logo, so it means that this is working with this specific board. Touchscreen is also good, but we can't go inside this device because the client didn't provide a passcode for this, so they will have to test this for themselves. So we'll remove the replacement display, no damage to the housing, put that to the side. We'll focus on the old display because we will remove this module for the Face ID. You can see it's very thin. It's like tape, but it's got electronics inside it, so you don't want this to get damaged because it's another part that you have to look for to complete the repair. So David is slowly pulling it out. There you go, it's now off. Also gonna restore the adhesive strips that it came with because it can still be reused, and we'll just slap it on to the brand new display. So for this iPhone 16 Pro, based on what we've seen, if you want to DIY this can be problematic if you don't have the proper tools, because the screws for the iPhone 16 Pro is very small. You can see tiny bits of pieces on the table, and you need to have steady hands. You need to have very precise tools and skills And if you don't have one of those, then you should just go to a professional service technician to have it fixed. And you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can see here, this is an actual repair that we do for our clients. And if you're interested, you can go visit us, or if you're outside of Sydney, you can send in your iPhone 16 Pro and we'll fix it here and send it back to you through mail. We've had many mail-in repair services done for our clients within Australia and from the US and other parts of the world. So no need to worry about that. Just message David first so we can negotiate the shipping. There you go. This is the brand new display. Still not installed properly yet. We'll do our second testing. Still good. So right now we are going to put back the metal brackets with the 2 screws. You can see here. And that's it. And if you're interested in having repair videos recommended to your YouTube homepage or on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or like and subscribe to this video if you're in YouTube. So this is it. We'll just close this up and do our final testing. The client will have to test this even further because we can't get inside without the passcode. The last 2 remaining screws are gonna be screwed back in, and that's all for us. So this is a brand new iPhone 16 Pro. It looks brand new from the front, and it will work on for 5 more years. Let's go. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.